Feeding and precautions for raw materials with good flowability. Pour the raw materials into the hopper from above the machine. Friendly reminder, raw materials with good flowability can be poured directly into the material bucket. After loading the material, such as an external handheld kit, priming operation is required first. Priming method: switch to jog mode and control start/stop via the foot switch. Notice set the operating speed prior to priming. Reduce the speed appropriately for high concentration liquid. Increase the speed appropriately for low concentration liquid. If the viscosity cannot be determined, observe the pump chamber. Gear jamming occurs during priming, which indicates the speed is too high and needs to be reduced. After setting is completed, press the foot switch to start priming. Stop priming once the liquid fills the pump chamber and pipelines. Calibration, introduction and demonstration. Before calibration, we need to prepare an electronic scale and several containers. The equipment supports two calibration methods. Method 1. Calibrate via the calibration function on the control panel. Method 2. Perform calibration in jog mode with the plus/minus keys for time parameters. Calibration method 1. Click the calibration button to enter the calibration interface. 3 parameters need to be set: weight, speed, and reversal time. Weight: set the target filling weight value. Click the weight parameter box. Enter the value directly via the numeric keys, then confirm. Speed: set according to the viscosity of the material. Click the speed parameter box. Enter the value directly via the number keys, and then confirm. Reverse time: fine-tune according to actual conditions, such as liquid dripping or the back suction strength of the machine. If the back suction force is insufficient and dripping occurs at the discharge outlet, increase the reverse time. Reduce the reverse time if the back suction force is excessive. Once parameters are set, place an empty bottle on the electronic scale and perform tare weighing. Align the dispensing port with the bottle, opening and press the start button. At this point, the electronic scale displays an actual weight of 71 grams. Enter the actual weight value of 71 grams into the calibration parameter field and click the OK button. Note, you must click the OK button after each value is entered. Otherwise, the device will not be able to recognize the actual output and will not be able to complete the automatic calibration adjustment. Once complete, remove the bottle screws. Wait again and click the Start button. The electronic scale shows an actual weight of 48 grams. Enter the actual weight value of 48 grams into the calibration parameter field and click the OK button. Once complete, remove the bottle screws. Wait again and click the Start button. The electronic scale shows an actual weight of 49 grams. Kindly reminder, the current weight is already quite accurate. For higher precision, you can repeat the calibration multiple times until the target weight value is achieved. Calibration method 2. Place an empty bottle on the electronic scale and perform tare weighing. Switch to jog mode. Align the dispensing port with the bottle opening. Kindly reminder, when using this method, please pay attention to the real-time running time displayed in the upper left corner of the panel, and the actual weight value of the electronic scale. For example, to fill 60 grams of liquid, press the foot switch to start the equipment. When the real-time weight reading on the electronic scale approaches 60 grams, release the foot pedal to stop filling. At this point, the electronic scale shows an actual weight of 61 grams. The real-time running time displayed in the upper left corner of the panel is 1.07 seconds. That is, the equipment runs for 1.07 seconds and outputs 61 grams of material. Enter the running time of 1.07 seconds into the time parameter. Setup complete. Switch to manual mode. The electronic scale shows an actual weight of 61 grams. Fine-tune by using the plus/minus keys on both sides of the parameter field. Press the minus key on the left side of the parameter field to shorten the running time. The adjusted runtime is 1.05 seconds. Remove the bottle screw's weight again, then press the foot switch to start the equipment. At this point, the electronic scale shows an actual weight of 60 grams. Calibration complete. 3 filling modes demonstration. Manual mode. Switch to manual mode. Pressing the foot switch once will start the filling process once. Automatic mode. Switch to automatic mode. The machine automatically fills by pressing the foot switch once. The system will first run through the preset start delay time. After the delay ends, the equipment will automatically start filling. After filling is completed, move to the next position within the interval time to proceed with the next filling cycle. Jog mode. Switch to jog mode. Press and hold the foot switch to keep the machine running continuously. The machine will stop immediately when the foot pedal is released. Feeding of cream and precautions. Use a shovel or scoop to fill cream into the pump chamber in advance. Note, the pump cavity must be fully packed. Otherwise, the equipment will be unable to fill the pump due to the lack of fluidity of the cream. After the pump chamber is filled, pour the remaining cream into the feeding hopper. Feeding completed, lower the operating speed parameter. Kindly reminder, it is not recommended to fill the cream too quickly. Example, adjust the speed to 20%. Select jog mode for material priming. Press the foot switch to start the equipment. Slow priming. If the pump chamber is not fully filled, push the cream downward with a scoop. After compaction, slowly initiate the material priming process again. Equipment is discharging material normally. Material priming is completed.